Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new video. This is Hap Beyond Numbers. Now we are solving BECE 2023 question 2A. That is what you see over here. Now at the end of this, or by the end of this one, you should be able to solve these similar questions you see over here. So without much ado, let's quickly look into it. The question says 15 into bracket 4 minus 6, then times 49 divided by what? 7. Now, what this is trying to test is your understanding on what? The BODMAS. First of all, the BODMAS, and then how best you can work with integers. You see? So what does the BODMAS say? Let me write that here. So BODMAS. It says we should work first whatever contains a bracket. You see? So this is where we have our bracket. Hence, we are going to solve that first. So we keep our 15 intact into bracket 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 gives us a negative 2. Then we have times 49 divided by 7. Now after bracket, it asks us to work on, what do you call it? Order. Order here means if there's any power, work on that. But as you can see, there is no power anywhere. So after the power, you then go into what? Division. Do we have any division here? Yes, we have a division. The division is working on what? This and then this. That is 49 and then 7. So in that case, we have 15. Then we know this bracket here is simply times. So times negative 2. Then times 49 divided by 7. That gives us a 7. As simple as that. So this now becomes what remains of the question. 15 times negative 2, then times 7. So evaluating it, we know 15 times negative 2. We know positive times negative is negative. So 15 times negative 2 gives us a negative 30. So now I have negative 30 times 7. Now negative 30 times 7 will then give us a negative 210. So this here is our final answer following the BODMAS principle. So you have these here, you can try on your own, just 3 questions. And I do hope that you'll be able to do it based on these explanations over here. See you in our next video, and if this is your first time, you can always choose to subscribe. Bye for now. Stay blessed.